I'm going to show you guys something that's pretty cool. When I do my smart home systems, I like to use Siri voice control or Alexa control. You can control things like your smart thermostat or your lighting. Check this out. Hey Siri, turn on kitchen lights. Hey Siri, turn off kitchen lights. Hey Siri, turn on air conditioner. Hey Siri, turn off air conditioner. Pretty cool, right? If you want to get something done like this, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and schedule a free in-home estimate.